It's not too bad. Reasonable fade, I think. Yeah, not too bad at all. Hi guys, welcome to another video. I'm going to be, what's that? Why do I look like this? Well, that's because I'm doing a skin fade today. So I'm going to do two videos. Basically, one is going to be cutting in my new hair system, which I should have done ages ago. Is a little video on Instagram promising it a full cutting video, but it's taken me this long to literally do it. So I'm doing it today. That's going to be part 2 of the video. But first of all, I'm going to show you how to do a skin fade, hence why I look like this. So I'm going to do it with my current hair system on. And I've taken the liberty of clipping all of the hair system perimeter hair up out the way so I don't catch it with the clippers. And I'm going to do a 0.5 skin fade because I think my hair is getting a little bit thin, especially around the bottom. So I think a 0 is going to be a little bit too brutal for me, especially at my age. So I'm going to try and, what I've done is I've pre-marked a couple of sort of tram lines, if you like, just using an eyeliner pencil. It goes all the way around just to help me, and just a bit of a tip for you, how to kind of not go up too high with a 0.5, you know, because when you're doing it yourself, a skin fade, obviously I could go up here too much and then here too low. So just to kind of, as a guide, I've just done these little tram lines just to help with the balancing of the fade. So let's see how it goes. So we're in position. Let's go for it. So I'm going to hold this mirror because I've got a mirror there which I'm trying to follow. Let's see how I can muck this up then. Let's go. So I'm just sort of taking that 0.5 up to my first little dotted line. I need to turn around almost so I think just there. Sort my neck hair out and tidy it up a bit better towards the end. Let's get the basic kind of cut done first. Right, so that's the 0.5. Now I'm going to switch to a grade 1. So, let's see. And we're just going to go up a few, half a centimetre with this one. I'm going to do quite a low fade. I'm not going to go too high. By the time I get up to that kind of second line, I want to be on at least a number 4 clipper grade. And how high you go with the fade really does depend on how much kind of depth you've got before your hair system starts. Check to see if that's kind of like looking reasonably the same both sides. I think I can go up a little bit higher on this side actually. That's it, and then we'll switch now to a clipper grade number 2. All you're really doing is just overlapping a little bit where the clipper one was. We'll switch to a number 3. I mean, you could simplify this by just doing like a 3, a 4 and a 6 as well. And the lower the grade, the harder it is to kind of iron out that kind of like that step that sometimes happens. But the harder the grade, the easier it is to blend. Just about up to the top white line now, so I can switch to 4 in a second. Never go to the barbers with your hair system on and let them do this without clippering up those perimeter sides on the hair system. The barber will say don't worry, they won't touch it, but they always do. And then once you've kind of caught the edge of the system with the clippers, that's it, it's game over, it's ruined. So right, so hopefully that's it for the fade. Right, so let's take all these clips back out now. Let's get these on. Right, get a spray of water. Having all the clips in, it's kind of made my stuck up now, so let's see what the blend's like. But yeah, that's how you do like a very quick sort of it wasn't that quick actually, but turns out I did a higher fade than I probably would have done in terms of going up a bit too high, but that's okay actually, it's not too bad. So this is this hair system, by the way, is 10 months old, so I'm going to be getting my new one on. That's going to be the sort of second part of the video, but yeah, that's a reasonable fade. I haven't done bad for 10 months, that's it really. Anyway, thanks for watching, hope it was a bit useful. Like I said, leave a comment in the section below, and don't forget to subscribe.